Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Power off the phone before opening the SIM tray to prevent damage. Use the SIM eject tool and insert 2 nano SIM cards with gold contacts down. If your phone supports eSIM, activate it later in settings instead of using 2 physical cards. Check carrier compatibility by confirming 4G or 5G support for both slots before closing the tray. Leave the SIM tray dry and aligned to the frame before reinserting carefully. Power the phone back on and wait 30 to 60 seconds for the system to detect. Open settings, then tap SIM cards and mobile networks to configure each line. Tap each SIM name to rename it for clarity, such as primary or work. Set a default line for mobile data, calls, and SMS independently to control billing and usage. Toggle VO LTE and 5G per SIM if your carrier and model support those features. Enable data switching if you want automatic fallback when a signal is weak. Confirm roaming and APN settings from your carrier to avoid unexpected charges. Choose the active SIM before making a call or sending SMS to avoid wrong billing. For outgoing calls, tap the SIM selector in the dialer to switch lines instantly. When using mobile data, confirm the chosen SIM shows a data icon like 4G or 5G in the status bar. Restart the phone if a SIM fails to register on the network after insertion. Update carrier APN manually if mobile data does not connect after setup. If problems persist, contact your carrier and verify SIM activation and provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.